Hello everybody, welcome to the series of GRE word list or GRE vocabulary for the candidates of CSS, PMS, PCS and other competitive exams. In the third video of the GRE vocabulary, the first word is abstain. Abstain is a verb. It has two meanings. Uh, the first meaning is abstain from something. It is its usage that abstain from something means to choose not to use vote either in favor or in against something. Okay, let's see the example. 10 people voted in favor, 5 against and 2 abstained. Abstained means 2 did not cast their vote. The second meaning is to stay away from something which is harmful for health or which is harmful for the character. The example is to abstain from alcohol or drug. Abstention, abstinence are its noun. The second word is abstemious. Abstemious is an adjective meaning not allowing yourself to have much food, alcohol or to do things that are enjoyable. The Urdu meaning is muttaqi, parhezgar, parsa. For the religious sake, people stop eating and stop enjoying the enjoyable things. So this practice is called abstemious. Synonyms are abstinent, self-abnegating. We have learned the word abnegation in previous videos. So self-abnegation is a abstemious. Antonym is self-indulgent. Example is he was a hard-working man with abstemious habits. Third word is abstruse. Abstruse is also an adjective meaning very short meaning, difficult to understand. Urdu meaning is pechida, मुश्किल, नाकाबिले फहम. Synonym is arcane, esoteric, recondite. Antonyms are shallow and superficial. For the understanding of abstruse, let's see the example. An abstruse argument means an argument which is very difficult to understand. Difficult to understand. It means the argument is vague or obscure. The fourth one is abat. Abat carries preposition on or on to something. It is related to a land or a building, meaning to be next to something or to have one side touching the side of something. The Urdu meaning is मिला हुआ होना या मुत्तसिल होना. It is a muttasil. Muttasil means adjacent. Synonyms are adjoin, flank, skirt, skirt areas of Dera Murad Jamali, skirt areas of Islamabad. Example is his land abuts onto a road. Next word is abysmal. Abysmal is an adjective. The meaning is extremely bad or of a very low standard. Synonym is terrible. Examples are his manners are abysmal. Second one is the council has an abysmal record on education. Means very terrible record, not good record, and his manners are not good. The next one is abyss. Abyss is a noun. The meaning is a very deep, wide space or hole that seems to have no bottom. we call it a abyss in Urdu, a gada, kuan, something, a hole that is very deep. So examples are, let's see the examples. Viewers, I am trying to put those examples which are practical in use and which are social in use, or either political use in use, not their abstract meaning. So therefore let's see how abyss is used for the social purposes, or social conversation, or in practical writings. Let's abyss of ignorance, abyss of despair, abyss of loneliness. Second one is, the country is stepping back from the edge of an abyss. Sorry, here is an spelling mistake. I am correcting it. Abyss means country is in the abyss of corruption, we can say, or country is in the abyss of debt. We can use abyss in this sense as well. The seventh word in the row is accede. Accede is also a verb. It has two usage. One is accede to something, means to agree to a request or a proposal. Urdu meaning is ittafaq karna. Example is, he acceded to demands for his resignation. Means a boss or a CEO of a company was not performing well, so their colleagues demanded his resignation. So he, on the to meet the moral grounds, he acceded to the demands for his resignation. The second usage is accede to something, means to achieve a high position, especially to become a king or queen. Example is, Queen Victoria acceded to the throne in 1837. Accession is noun. The next word is accelerate. Accelerate is also a verb. It has also two meanings. The first meaning is to happen or make something happen faster or earlier than expected. Example, inflation continues to accelerate, means inflation is accelerating or happening or continuing at a very high pace, or expected or faster than expected. The second one is related to a vehicle or a person, to start to go faster. For example 1 is related to a person. The runners accelerated smoothly around the bend. However, the second example is related to a vehicle. The car accelerated to overtake me. Opposite is decelerate. The second last word is acclaim. Acclaim is also a verb. The meaning of acclaim is to praise or welcome somebody, something publicly. It is a self-explanatory definition. The Urdu meaning is तालियां बजाना, खुशामदीद कहना. Synonyms are accredit, applaud, hail, or tout. Tout is a negative in meaning, but it is also means you are trying to appease someone. Antonyms are knock, pan. Pan means criticize, slam. Example are, the book has been widely acclaimed as a modern classic. And the second example is Mario Vargas, the internationally acclaimed novelist. The last but not the least word is acclimate. Acclimate is a verb as well. The meaning is to get used to a new place, a situation, or a climate. Okay. Abu Hawa ka ras ana means if somebody is traveling from Balochistan to Islamabad, and there is it is a new place, and it is a new situation, and there is a new climate. So when somebody gets used to of that new place or situation or a climate, we can say acclimated. Okay. Synonym is acclimatize, adapt, or conform. Example or a sentences are: it takes many months to acclimate to life in the tropics regions. Number 2, competitors should arrive 2 weeks earlier to get acclimated to the sweltering heat. Means if a place is uh, very heated place, so the competitor should arrive early in order to prevent any kind of difficulties. So thank you. These were the words of the day. I hope you enjoyed the video.